How to change your name on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can change your name on Facebook. Now, to changing name on Facebook is quite simple and easy. All you have to do is open up Facebook app and you'll get an interface like this. Now, tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen below the messaging icon, and here what you want to do is tap on settings icon. Once in settings, what you want to do is tap on personal and account information, the first option that you'll find at the screen, and then head into the name option that you can see. You'll find your name here, tap on name, and here you'll be able to change your name. To change your name, all you have to do is remove your previous name. Simply tap on it and delete it. Now you can add your first name and last name. Middle name is not necessary, but if you want you can add it, and then simply tap on review change. Once you type in your new name, simply tap on review change, and if the name is available you'll be able to find the option change name. Simply tap on change your name and then your name will be changed. So this way you can change your name on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.